Question 3.65. The captain of a boat wants to travel directly across a river that flows due east. He starts from the south bank of the river and heads towards the north bank. The boat has a speed of 5.57 meter per second with respect to the water. The captain steers the boat in direction 315 degree. How fast is the water flowing? And then we have that 90 degree is east, 180 degree is south, 270 degree is west, and 360 degree is north. So let us first sketch the problem. We have a river, and the captain of the boat wants to travel directly across the river in this manner. The river is flowing due east, so its velocity vector will be towards east. We call this VR. And the captain steers his boat in the direction 315 degree, which so 315 degree is between north and west, as west is 270 and north is 360, so 315 would be somewhere around here. So the boat is steered in this manner. We call this velocity of boat. We need to find what is the velocity of river. So let us first write down what is given to us. We have the speed of the boat, which is 5.57 with respect to the water or with respect to the river. And I need to find what is the speed of the water or what is the speed of the river. Now the boat makes an angle of 315 degree with respect to the vertical. So this angle here, which I will call theta, we can calculate by subtracting 315 with 360. That gives me its value as 45 degree. Now, if we split the components of boat's velocity, we will have one component that goes along the x-axis, which we call VBX, and one component that goes along the y-axis, which is VBY. The x component of boat's velocity must be exactly equal in magnitude but opposite in direction to the velocity of river to compensate for the drift caused by the river, whereas the y component of boat's velocity is responsible for taking it directly across the river. So we know from the figure that the x component of boat's velocity must be equal to the velocity of river. So we can find the velocity of river by finding the x component of boat. X component of boat's velocity can be calculated by taking VB sine theta, as velocity of river is opposite to the angle theta, which is the x component. Theta here is 45 degrees. Now let's substitute. VB is 5.57 sine 45. That gives you the velocity of river to be equal to 3.938.
Or you can round this off to 3.94 meter per second.